In this video, we are discuss about VLANs. What actually VLAN is? VLAN is virtual LAN. As we already discussed what is LAN, so VLAN is virtually LAN. For example, this is switch. Switch have multiple ports. These ports are internally connected with each other. If this port broadcasts a packet, each and every port on a switch receives that broadcasted packet. But if we want these two PCs are department 1 PCs. These another PCs are department 2's PC. So if we want if this particular interface broadcast a packet, then only this department or department 1's PCs can receive. Other departments PC cannot have the right to receive the broadcasted packet by department 1. So we divided its broadcast domain into some parts. We divided these in virtually. For example, switch have a single broadcast domain. It means all interfaces are connected with this broadcast domain. It means the whole switch is work like a single LAN. If an interface broadcast a packet, every PC or every interface that is part of a broadcast domain or a LAN can receive that particular packet. But if we divided this interface or this LAN or this broadcast domain into two parts that are virtually dividation, it means if this PC sends some packet or broadcasts some packet, only this interface can receive. These four interfaces cannot receive a broadcast packet that is broadcasted by other virtual LAN. By default, all interfaces of switch is a part of VLAN 1. VLAN 1 is by default created on switch. We can create multiple VLANs. Simply, VLAN is a virtually dividation of the broadcast domain of switch. If we need to divide broadcast domain, we need to create some VLANs. For example, I have two different departments. This is department 1, this is department 2. For communication, we need two different LAN, and for two LANs we need two switches. These switches are connected with router. This is the default scenario. But in case of VLAN, we only use a single switch for both LANs. This switch VLAN is virtually divided into two VLANs. This is VLAN 1. This is VLAN 2. This VLAN is work separately, and this VLAN is work separately. And this switch is connected direct to a router. So here it affects our money. We can reduce the cost of the organization by using VLANs.